Hello, in this video, I'm going to give you an overview on how you can use the accessibility feature in Chromebooks known as Select to Speak. Select to Speak, like the name suggests, allows you to highlight or select a portion of text on a web page and have it read out loud back to you. This is really helpful for individuals who have learning disabilities and need to have options for representation rather than just reading text out loud, so they can read with their ears instead. It's also really helpful for some of our students who have dyslexia and need to have content read aloud to them as well, and our students with low vision. Students with low vision might have to rely on audio cues and audio information to be able to understand parts of a text or a reading online. Now, Select to Speak is a little bit different than Chromebox, which is a pure screen reading tool. Select to Speak is a little bit less dynamic, so I wouldn't recommend it for a student who is blind. This particular feature is really helpful for just reading content on web pages and readings, anything along those lines. It won't tell you your location of your cursor on the screen or your tabs you're opening or any websites you're navigating to. That's more Chromebox. This is just a little bit of a step down for some of our students who don't need all of those audio feedback cues, but still want to have an option to have content read out loud to them so they can read with their ears. So, like the other Chromebook accessibility options, you'll click the bottom right corner on your screen and select accessibility, and then select to Speak. Once you have toggled that option on, you'll see a little icon across the bottom of your screen that looks like a little microphone with a little line through it to show you that you're having things read out loud. To leverage this feature, it's best if you use some of the keyboard shortcuts. So if I highlight text on my screen, and I'm on the instructions page right now, so you can use that as a reference, and I do the search button on my Chromebook, as well as the button S.
Press and hold the search key and drag the pointer over an area of the screen.
It will read my selection out loud. If I wanted it to pause while I'm reading, I can also have it pause by clicking the control button and the search key. So that's a helpful keyboard shortcut as well. If you wanted to change some of your keyboard shortcut settings, you do have the option in Chrome to do that, but these are the default ones for using the Select to Speak feature. So again, this is really helpful for our students who want to have content read out loud to them and read with their ears, as well as some of our low vision students who might need an additional option than just reading on their screen. Thank you.